How to fix thumbnail problem on YouTube. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix thumbnail problem on YouTube easy and fast. So all what you have to do is log into your account, of course, and now all what you have to do is go here in the top, click on your profile picture and go to your YouTube studio. This is my YouTube studio right here. Now if you want to fix your thumbnail on your videos problem, all what you have to do is go down to this settings option and then go to the channel option right here, and you will find those three tabs right here in the top. Click future eligibility and now go down and click on this one right here and click to verify your phone number. From here, click here on intermediate features and click verify your phone number and your thumbnail must work. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.